Well, good morning students. Today we are continue with our 3.2 exercise. I have given all indications as you have to been seen in the previous lectures. Now we will follow up with the same exercise and we will do continue. Let us start. Now come to question number 3.2 exercise. Question number 2. In question number 2 it is given a very easy example here. I will give you just one line questions. It is cos square x, sin square x, then sin square x and cos square x. Now in this case you have given in the question number 2, this is I think so part number 5th, and you have to add this with a simple one because it is trigonometric question. So I will give you the indications: sin square x, cos square x, cos square x and sin square x. Now in this case you have to find addition of the both matrices. This is first part, this is second part. So very simple it is. You can given in a answers, you know, cos square plus sin square. So a11 element will be added to a11 element to cos square x plus sin square x. Similarly a12 element, a12 element sin square x plus cos square x, and then again sin square x plus cos square x, and again cos square x plus sin square x. Now you know, because sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, which is you have read in the class of 10th, and so by this way this matrix is given you 1 1 and 1 1 your answer. So this is a very simple questions, even though I want to give you the indications, but I will just describe it on the blackboard. So we will come with a question number 3rd. I think so which questions I left for you. This is for homework for you. You have to try to at your home other questions. In case if you find difficulty, then we will I have given my link in the description box and you must have to ask me that questions. So we will continue with I think so question number 3rd of this exercise 3.2, which is question number 3rd. Now question number 3rd is said, question number 3rd, and your part is, I will take the part 2, which is little bit of difficult one, so that you can understand what is the multiplication of the matrices. Here is a 1, 2 and 3. A matrix in a column matrix you have to be given, and here you have given another matrix which is 2, 3 and 4. These two matrices you have to be multiplied. Your answer again will be, you write like this: first row with first column. So you are 1 into 2, right? Then first row with second column, so 1 into 3, then first row with third column, so it will be 1 into 4. Then you choose second row and first column, so 2 into 2, then 2 into 3, then 2 into 4. Similarly third row, then first column 3 into 2, then third row with second column 3 into 3, then third row with third column, which is 3 into 4. Now you would find these multiplications. So your answer is 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 6, 9, 12. So this is your answer of this matrix. You can easily multiply it and you can find the answer. So you can do such questions very carefully, otherwise you would find somewhere else mistakes. So do at your home other questions so that you willfully get the good answers in the other questions. बच्चों इसमें हमें दो मैट्रिक्स दी थी जिसको कि हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना था. आपने पहली रो को पहली कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सेकंड रो को सेकंड कॉलम से करना है, फिर सेकंड को थर्ड से करना है. तो इस तरह से 1 इंटू 2, 1 इंटू 2, 1 इंटू 3, 1 इंटू 4, लाइक दैट. सिमिलरली फिर सेकंड रो आपने लेना है 2 और फिर फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो 2 इंटू 2, देन 2 इंटू 3, देन 2 इंटू 4, लाइक दैट. देन यू चूज द थर्ड वन, यानी तीसरी आपको रो लेनी है और फर्स्ट कॉलम 3 इंटू 2, 3 into 3 and 3 into 4. So similarly you can, after multiplying you can find the answers 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 6, 8 and 6, 9, 12. So this is the answer of these questions. Now we will shift to next questions. That question is of your here now 3 into 3 row. This is third question of this one, question number 3, third part, which is of 3 means 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. This is one matrix. And another matrix is you have given, which is 1, minus 3, 5, 0, 2 and 4, 3, 0, 5, 3, 0, 5. So this is your second matrix, and now we have to multiply these two matrices so that you can get the answers. So continue with these parts. As I have already told you how to multiply this matrix, you first choose first row and first column. So your first element will be first row with first column. So you are 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. So this is your first column, which is after multiplying your A11 element, right? Then you have first row with second column. So you have 2 into minus 3 plus then 3 into 2 plus then 4 into 0. This is your first row with second column. Then you continue with these parts. Here you have first row you take again, then third column. So this will be 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5, 4 into 5. So this is your third element, which is of the first row. Now come to the second row. Choose second row and first column. So you have 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0, 3 into 1, sorry, this is here, it is 1. I just given you 3 into 1, sorry, 3 into 1 and 4 into 0, 4 into 0, then 5 into 3, 5 into 3. Then second row with second column, so you have second row and second column. So 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2, then your 5 into 0, 5 into 0. Then second row with third column, so your 3 into 5, then 4 into 4, 4 into 4, then 5 into 5. Means this row 3 into 5, 4 into 4, 5 into 5. Now this is second row will be completed, and then now you choose the third row, that is third one is this one, then first column. So 4 into 1, 4 into 1, then plus 5 into 0, 5 into 0, then plus 6 into 3. Then second element 4 into minus 3, then 5 into 2, 5 into 2, then 6 into 5 into 2 and 6 into 0. Then third row with third column, so 4 into 5, this third row with third column, so 4 into 5, 5 into 4, and then for last 6 into 5. So this will be your multiplications of this part, and you would find now this is your multiplication of both the matrices. Suppose this is your A part and this is your B part matrix, so you can write down A and B. AB product is this one. Let us suppose this is A, I will given you, this is B, so this is AB. Now if you can multiply this one, your answer will be, this is 2, 0 and 12. So 12 and 2, 14 is your here, in summing all these parts, right? Then this is minus 6 and 6 which goes off, so this gives you 0. Then here 5 to your 10, 10 and 12, 22, 22 and 20, this is 42. Now here 3 and here is 15, so 18 is here. Then 9 and 8, so minus 1 is here, and here 15 and 20 or 14, 15 and 14, and this is your 31, 31 and 31 and your 25, it is equal to 56. So here is your 56, right? And here is 4 and 18, so your 18 and 4, 22. Here is 12, 12 and 10, so minus 2 is there, so you can write here minus 2. And here is 20 and 20, 40, 40 and 30, 70. So this is your answer of these questions which I had to be given to you, and we will continue with this next questions of this exercise. I think so you understand these questions. Anyhow, if you can face problem, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Now question is question number 4, exercise number 3.2. It is given if you have a matrix of order 1 to -3 5 0 2 1 -1 1. If A is this and B is, you have B matrix is 3 -1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3. This is B matrix, and you have given C matrix is also there, 4 1 2 and 0 3 2, 1 -2 3, 1 -2 3. Then he says, then compute A plus B and B minus C and verify A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Now question is something like this, that you have first you calculate here A plus B minus C, you compute first, then you can check it, A plus B minus C will be its equal. Now let us continue with the left hand side. This is your left hand side part. I will go from first, I will calculate this is left hand side, and this is your right hand side. Before to solve our questions, I will first calculate this one, find the answers, then calculate this one and find the answers. And if both are equal, then definitely it verifies. So first we have to go answers. First we calculate B minus C. Now I will just write down A plus B minus C. Here A matrix is your 1 2 -3 5 0 2 1 -1 1. This is I put as A part. Now in the B part I will first solve B minus C. B minus C. So I will put it here, B will be your 3 -1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3. Now this matrix is your B, and from B I will subtract C. C is our part, 4 minus 4 1, sorry, 4 it is 1, 4 it is 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 and 3. Now this is I will close it. This is our left hand side, LHS. We calculate this one. You know that this one is 3 is positive and 4 is minus sign. So, you left with here minus 1. You put A as it is 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. So, you put like this A as it is. So, 3 minus 4 is equal to your minus 1, because this minus sign is here, it goes here because you transfer this minus sign here. So, this balanced with minus 1, and this minus 1 goes off. So, minus 2 is here. Then this 2 and this minus 2 is equal to your 0. Then 4 minus 0 is same as 4. 2 minus 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Then 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then 2 minus of 1 is equal to 1. 0 minus or minus will be plus sign, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So, this is your answer of this part, which is you solve this one and you would find this answer will be there. Now, you have calculate with this part, you add these two, you would find the, let us suppose what you get the answers. So, 1 plus minus 1 goes off 0, then 2 plus of minus 2 will goes off 0, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3, 5 plus 4 is your 9, 0 and minus 1 gives you minus 1, 2 and 3 will gives you 5, then 1 plus 1 is equal to your 2, minus 1 and 2 you would gives 1, and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So, this is the nutshell result, right. Now, we will come on the right hand side. See on the right hand side what we get. Now, first we calculate A plus B. First we calculate A plus B, and then further we subtract from C. Now, A plus B I will write down here. A is your 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. This is A. And now, you have to add in B. B part is your 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, then 2, 0, 3. Now, this is your A plus B part, and you subtract from here minus sign 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, C part, 1, minus 2, 3, this is for C part. Now, after adding these two, you would find 1 plus 3 is equal to your 4, and 2 plus minus 1 gives you 1, minus 3 and plus 2 it gives you minus 1. Then 5 plus 4 is equal to your 9, and 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, 2 plus 5 is equal to your 7, 1 and 2 is equal to your 3, minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1, and 1 plus 3 is equal to your 4. So, these two will be like this. and here you have to win again. C will be, you write 4 minus 1, 4 1 2 and 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. Now subtract it from this A plus B to C. You would find 4 minus 4 goes 0, 1 minus 1 goes 0, minus 1 and minus 2 goes minus 3, then 9 minus 0 is 9, 2 minus 3 gives you minus 1, and 7 minus 2 gives you 5, and 3 minus 1 gives you 2, and minus 1 and minus plus 2. So, 2 will gives you, here it is plus 2 and here is minus 1. So, gives you plus 1, and 4 minus 3 you gives a 1. Now, if you can see these two matrices, you would find the same answer here. So, you can say there is these to be verified. So, yeah, here you can write verify. This is your answer. So, this way you can continue with the part. There are certain other questions are also there. You try at your home. In case if you feel any kind of problem, my link is already given to you, and try to best. Thank you.